What if I told you there's a place in the universe where the moment you enter, you can never leave, where time slows to a crawl and then stops, where your past, your future, and every second of your life are swallowed whole? This is not science fiction. This is what happens when you fall into a black hole. You wouldn't feel the moment you cross the event horizon, the invisible border between the universe we know and the place beyond all returns. If the black hole is large enough, you could drift in, calmly, weightlessly, almost peacefully. But out there, far away, anyone watching would see you change. Your voice would fade, your movements would slow. You'd become frozen, suspended in time. To them, you'd never actually fall in, but to you, the journey has only just begun. Inside, space itself tilts downward like a cosmic waterfall. You are no longer moving through space. Space itself is moving around you, carrying you deeper and deeper. Seconds for you are centuries for the universe outside. Stars are born, galaxies die, whole civilizations rise and vanish in the time it takes you to blink. And then the pull becomes unbearable. Your body begins to stretch atom by atom, drawn out like a thread of light. Scientists call it spaghettification, but that word cannot capture the reality. You are being unraveled, dissolved into the very fabric of space and time. At the very center lies the singularity, a point of infinite density, where every law of physics breaks. Here, the concepts of distance and time are meaningless. There is no before, no after, only forever. From the outside, it looks like an ending, but some believe it might be a passage, a tunnel through space, a bridge to another universe. If that's true, then falling into a black hole isn't destruction, it's transformation. You'd disappear from our sky, gone forever, but somewhere else, in a reality we cannot yet touch. Your journey might just be beginning, because in the heart of the darkest place in the universe, there might still be light.